Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and as you can see, I'm in a new background. I'm in my new apartment at ASU, and I'm going to be doing an apartment tour really soon. I just have to finish hanging up some stuff and things like that, but I'm really excited, so you kind of have like a sneak peek. Today's video is going to be my back to school makeup routine slash tutorial. So this is kind of like the makeup I do every day if I'm going to class and when I have school, which I start tomorrow, which is Thursday. So when I'm posting this, I will be at my first day at ASU, and I'm very excited. So let's just jump right into the makeup tutorial. I have like a view of the pool, so I have my window up and it's really funny to like see everybody. It's like super cloudy too, so I don't know why people are at the pool. Anyways, I'm just going to, you know, prep the skin. And then I'm just going to go into my Fenty primer just to smooth out the skin, because I do have some breakouts going on like under the skin, like you can like definitely feel them, so I just want to smooth that all out. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Concealer, you already know. And again, I kind of just use this as like foundation, but I apply a little bit less than I do with my everyday makeup. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in light. This gives you a little bit extra coverage while setting. That's why I really like it. And I only use a little bit like underneath the eye area to give me a little bit extra coverage. So I'm just going to pat a little bit in and like where my pores are a little big, just to set that concealer so that way my pores don't, you know, seek through. Go in with my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. And let me grab my brushes because I'm not prepared. Take this Urban Studio brush. This is just from TJ Maxx. And I'm actually going to wet the brush. And I've used this so many times on my channel, but you guys already know. Ooh, you guys already know I just mixed these two together. Just like a little bit. And then I just cream contour. Then I'm going to go in with highlight, and this is like the e.l.f. highlighter, liquid highlight. You guys know I love this. And I'm actually going to be taking that on like a stippling brush. And I'm actually going to put it on the back of my hand. I put it on the back of my hand, and then I just like rub my brush. And I kind of just brush it on my high points of the cheekbone. The nose, and then I'm just going to take my sponge and dab it out. So again, there's like no harsh line. I'm going to be taking a cream blush. This is all about cream products today. I am going to be using powder, but I want my powder to have something to stick to since I'm going to be sweating, walking around in class, probably like touching my face and stuff when I'm bored. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. cream blush in Rose Royalty. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to take this brush right here. This is a Real Techniques 300 brush, and again I'm going to wet the brush, just spray it with anything, And then that way the cream product isn't like super dry. And kind of just dabble into the cream blush. And lightly pat on the apples of the cheek. I'm doing a very light hand and lightly tapping and sweeping up into the highlight to kind of blend it. For bronzer, I'm going with the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer. You can see a hit pan. This has a little bit of shimmer in it, so if you don't like that, you can just use a plain bronzer, whatever you want. And I'm basically going to just bronze up the skin, go over that cream contour that we did. I'm going with a nice neutral, blush. So I'm going to use MAC Melba, just like the perfect peachy nude kind of shade. And I'm going to take my Morphe M530 and just go over that cream contour. I'm just sweeping it back as well as keeping it on the apples of the cheeks. Then what I like to do is take my Beauty Blender and dab it out. That way it's not as pigmented as it comes out. That way it just blends together with everything as well. And for highlight, I'm going to go with my Essence Pure Nude. That way it's just a super subtle highlight and nothing too, popping or blinding, because I don't want to blind people in class, I want to look like I didn't try, but I want to look like I did try, you feel? So I'm just going to take a Morphe M510. There is something flying around here. I see it. I don't know what it is. And just like that, just super subtle. I'm not doing like a whole lot. For eyes, I'm going to go back in with the bronzer. I'm going to take a really nice fluffy brush. This is an Morphe E27. And all I do, let me clean it off though. All I do is dust that into the crease. What I do for lips is apply this NIVEA A Kiss of Shimmer Radiant Lip Care. I'm just going to spray my face. Okay guys, so that completes my back to school makeup tutorial look. This is literally what I wear when I go to class and stuff like that. It's really minimum, but it does give a little bit of something to your face. I use a lot of cream products, as you saw. That way my powder products have something to stick onto. Since it's so hot in Arizona, I'm going to be walking outside in like 110, 115 degree weather. But you don't have to use cream products if you don't like them. You can just use powder or whatever you're comfortable. But this is just what I do for my school days and when I have class. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.